Automotive Door Handle Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global automotive door handle market size will be $4,951.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5% from 2024 to 2031. North America automotive door handle market size of $1,980.60 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe automotive door handle market size of $1,485.45 million. Asia Pacific automotive door handle market size of $1,138.85 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America automotive door handle market size of $247.58 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa automotive door handle market size of $99.30 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.